What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, guys, I just wanted to go over 3 stocks that I'm looking to buy ending off this week and heading into the 4th week of January in 2018. So right off the bat, guys, this is Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade. This is the particular platform that I use to analyze all my stocks, and I recommend any beginner in the stock market to download this and use it to help better understand how stocks move, how the stock market works, supports, resistances, and all those jazzy things that everyone wants to learn when they're first starting off. So the first stock that I'm looking to trade is DSLV. This is actually a silver ETN, and whenever I look to trade stocks, whenever I look at potential swing trades, I like to look at the 180-day analysis right off the bat, 180-day 4-hour candlesticks. I like to identify good entry points, good exit points, and if the stock itself is showing healthy growth over the long term. So we can see that there's plenty of entry points here and exit points, and we could identify plenty of resistances and supports and profit margins, so we can see how much money we can potentially make swing trading this stock. So right off the bat, we can identify that the first support we see here on the 180-day analysis is right here at $22, and it's bounced here once, right? Twice. It consolidated here for a while, bounced again, bounced up, and that pretty much just opens up a profit margin that we can capitalize on if it were to drop again and hold above that same support level at 22, which is actually doing right now, guys. It's holding above here. It rose up to 24. It dropped down, and it actually bounced off that same exact support level again. So it's actually 4 times it's bounced on that support level. Now it's breaking above the EMA line, it's looking like, and the EMA line's pointing up. That's another thing that we look at whenever we try to identify stocks, if they have confirmed an uptrend pattern. The EMA line is very important, and it's broken above that now, guys. And this one's looking very good. I plan on adding a position at about $24, and if you ride it from $24 up to previous resistances at about, what do we have here, $30, we can get about, let's see how much potential for profit this has, 20%, 20 to 25% potential for profit. If you're a little bit more conservative, you can easily get about 15% if it hits this resistance right up here, and that's solid if you ask me, guys. For a week or two, if you put in $5,000, or let's say $10,000 to make things easier, 15% is $1,500 over a span of 1 to 2 weeks. That is pretty good in my book, so that's why I'm watching DSLV. So the second one I'm watching is DGAS. This is a natural gas ETF, and it's actually the inverse of UGAS. So whenever DGAS goes down, UGAS goes up, and these are both correlated to natural gas. So really the way that these two ETFs move, and really just particular how DGAS moves, is pretty much based solely on natural gas. So whenever natural gas here, let's look at, yeah, this is perfect. Whenever natural gas goes up, right, DGAS goes down. So whenever natural gas is bullish, it's very bad for DGAS. So whenever natural gas goes down, good for DGAS, right? So natural gas right now is at resistance levels of 320. That's where it's at right now. So that's why I'm closely watching DGAS, because if natural gas falls down, right, it's back at 320 today. Earlier in the day today, it hit like 308. Yeah, see? It went down, and that's when DGAS saw a nice little run up to the 24s, I think. And now that it's back up, you can see DGAS is at $22. So we're going to be watching natural gas in particular with DGAS here. If natural gas ends up topping off at $3.20 and starts falling down, we're going to add a lot to our position here in DGAS, or about half of our position rather. And we can see that there is a support level here at about $22, but really the chart here in DGAS doesn't really mean much, because it's, like I said, it solely relies on natural gas, and if natural gas goes down, DGAS goes up. So if natural gas breaks that resistance of about $3.20 and it runs to 340, let's say, for example, DGAS would probably be down here at about $18. So we're going to be watching natural gas closely with this. If we get in at, let's say, with this particular position, I plan on getting in at about $25 once it confirms the uptrend, breaks above the EMA line, and from there, $25 up to previous resistances like $32. That's about, let's see, what does it say here? 25% potential for profit. So with $10,000, 25% potential for profit, $2,500. And I'm going to say this is going to be about a week or two swing trade. So that's why I'm looking at DGAS and I'm looking to capitalize on this. So make sure to do your own due diligence on these stocks, by the way, guys. Do your own research. Don't just trade these or invest in them based off of my opinion. And let's hop to the third stock. So the third one here is JDST. And like I said, the 180-day analysis 4-hour candlestick is what I like to look at first. I like to identify where are good entry points, exit points, supports, resistances, and profit margins. So with this one, we can see that we're at the support level at about $48, $49, and we're looking to see if we can hold above that. We can see right off the bat here that JDST actually has broken above the EMA line, and that's a very good sign for an uptrend coming. And the way that JDST moves, it's actually the inverse to JNUG right here, guys. So whenever JNUG is down, JDST is up. Makes sense, right? So JDST, right? These are gold ETFs. So the way that this moves is based off of these gold futures here. So whenever, like DGAS, right, it's the same exact thing. Whenever gold futures go down, right, JDST goes up. So that's why we've been seeing JNUG on this huge bull run the past couple of weeks. Because as you can see here, look, the gold futures, boom, look at that. All the way from 1240 to 1220, and we hit 1240, or 1343, and now we're starting to pull back. So I'm looking at this because the gold futures, they're starting to pull back. If they continue to hold that trend, JDST is a great stock with great potential for profit. So I plan on getting in anywhere from $50.50 to maybe even like $51. And from there, let's say $50.50. Let's see if I can get this. From $50, let's say 30 cents, same thing, whatever. $50.30 to previous resistance levels, let's say right around, like, what's this, like $64. That will be about 30% potential for profit. And with $10,000, that is a $3,000 return. So this one's going to be about a 1 to 2 week swing trade. Same thing with DGAS. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Please do your own due diligence when it comes down to investing in DGAS and all these different ETFs. Understand how they move. Understand that UGAS and DGAS move on natural gas, and JDST and JNUG move on gold futures. So understand that, understand how everything works. This is Think or Swim, like I said in the beginning of the video. Make sure to download this if you're a new investor in the stock market. Follow me on Instagram at Stas_Surfest_entrepreneurship. Let's make some money today, guys. Let's have a great day. Peace!